In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. To change theme in a few seconds, just hold your display and tap on one of those to apply it. So when I do that and hit save, I need to click on this portion of my screen to see that theme of my device has changed. If you want to, you can also customize it. To do that, hit Settings, scroll to click on Personalize, and select Themes. Now, instead of tapping on any of those, use plus icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down to adjust all of those options. Wallpaper, font style, color, and icon shape. At the top, you can name your theme however you wish to. And when you're ready, select Save. As you can see, when I go back this time, theme of my device was successfully customized. If you want to delete it, apply any other one and use this bin at the top right corner. If you wanna just make some changes to it, tap on pen icon and change whatever you want to. Your new theme will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!